My name's Justin, and I go by the moniker Crywolf. Throughout my entire 8-9 year career, I've been obsessed with this question of where creativity comes from. I guarantee that there will be work at the end that you are super proud of that's probably next level from what you thought you were capable of. If you want to be a professional musician, you can't always really afford to sit around and wait. You need systems so that you can consistently be creative and draw that out of you.
When you're repressing all these different parts of yourself, you're causing yourself to be fragmented in your mind, and you're severely limiting your access to these extremely life-giving and potent forms of energy and emotion inside of yourself.
There will be tons of themes, tons of different colors, tons of different sort of feeling structures that you have never worked with before.
I'm going to show not only a bunch of the actual techniques that I use when I'm producing, but more importantly, a lot of the underlying theory. Basically the principles that sort of guide me when I'm creating and steer me in the direction that I want to go.